Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right now here on the right upper corner, tap here on this icon and you'll see that we are logged in into 2 accounts right now. So just to log out from one from this account, tap here to the manage accounts on this device, and for example we wanna log out from this account, the first one. Just tap on the account and here tap to the remove account, confirm, and as can you see, this account is gone right now. Just now we'll go back and we'll check. Yeah, as can you see, we got here only one Gmail account right now. So that's it, that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.